Every invoice your team processes manually costs your business around $12.88. That's not a guess. That's Ardent Partners 2024 research. Multiply that by 200 invoices a month and you're burning over $30,000 a year on paperwork. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how AP automation fixes that and how Xero sits at the center of it all. Problem. Let's talk about what manual accounts payable actually looks like. An invoice lands in your inbox, someone keys it into the system, then it gets emailed around for approvals, then someone checks if it matches a purchase order, then payment is scheduled. Maybe. If anything gets lost in that chain, you're hit with late payment fees of 1 to 2% per invoice, or a flat $25 to $50. And you're missing early payment discounts from suppliers that can run anywhere from 1 to 10%. The average manual process takes over 10 days to complete a single invoice. That's 10 days where your cash flow visibility is basically blind. Solution. This is where AP automation comes in, and specifically where Xero shines. Xero is a cloud-based accounting software built for small and growing businesses. Out of the box, it handles bill management, batch payments, duplicate detection, and bank reconciliation. You can upload invoices directly through email or via Hubdoc, Xero's integrated document capture tool, and it pulls the key data automatically. But here's where it gets powerful. When you connect Xero to a dedicated AP automation tool like Trailed, Lightyear, or ApprovalMax, you unlock the full stack. AI-powered OCR that reads invoices line by line, three-way matching that checks your invoice against the purchase order and the goods received note, multi-tier approval workflows that route the right invoice to the right person automatically, and real-time sync back into Xero so your books are always current. The result? Invoice processing cost drops from $12.88 down to around $2.78. Processing time goes from over 10 days to roughly 3. How it works in practice? Here's the flow in plain terms. A supplier sends an invoice to your AP inbox. The automation software captures it, extracts all the data using AI, supplier name, amount, due date, line items, and matches it to the relevant purchase order. If everything lines up, it routes automatically for approval. If there's a discrepancy, it flags it for review. Once approved, it pushes straight into Xero, ready for payment. Your team isn't chasing emails, your finance manager isn't manually reconciling, and you have a full audit trail for every single invoice, which is gold during tax time or an external audit. Who needs this? If you're processing more than 50 invoices a month and still doing it manually, automation will pay for itself fast. Businesses running 100 invoices monthly can save over $1,000 a month just by capturing early payment discounts and eliminating late fees before you even count staff time saved. Xero gives you the accounting backbone. AP automation gives you the intelligence layer on top. Together, they turn one of the most painful parts of running a business into something that basically runs itself. If you're on Xero and haven't explored the AP automation tools in the Xero app marketplace, start there. It's the fastest way to cut costs, reduce errors, and get your cash flow under control.